What's up, you guys? It's me here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to cook fried rice the epic way. This recipe is so freaking good. You will love it. I promise you that. So let's just get right into it. We're gonna start by cooking our rice. Now, I'm using leftover rice for this recipe, but you can totally use freshly cooked rice. If you do use freshly cooked rice, just make sure that it's cooled down before you start to fry it. I like to use a non-stick pan on low heat because it prevents the rice from sticking together and it also prevents it from burning. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to the pan. Then once the oil is spread throughout the pan, I'm gonna add in the rice. Now I'm just gonna take a spatula and break up any large clumps of rice. I'm gonna continue to fry the rice on low until it's slightly toasted. Now this will take a few minutes, so just be patient. You don't want to rush this process or else your rice will be burnt and crunchy. Once the rice is slightly toasted, I am gone now. Remove it from the pan and I am gone now. Set it off to the side. Now we're gonna start on our egg. Crack the egg into a bowl. Then add in the soy sauce and the sesame oil. Now we're just gonna take a fork and mix that up. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to the pan on medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering in the pan, add in the egg mixture and spread it throughout the pan. We're gonna cook the egg on medium until it's almost set. Now we just wanna make sure that it's fully cooked, so we're gonna flip it over and then we're gonna cook the other side. Once the egg is fully cooked, we re-gone, remove it from the pan and we re-gone, crumble it up into a bowl. Now we're gonna add the rice back into the pan on high. We just want to toast it a little bit more. We're going to add in the scrambled eggs, the green onions, and the beef. Now we're going to take a spatula and mix everything together. Once the rice is heated through, we're going to turn off the heat and we're going to serve it up. And here is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you got some value out of it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.